How to log in to your booking.com account. Now, in order to log in to your booking.com, you can either use your application for booking.com or you can use the website. After opening either the application or website, you will get to see this button of sign in from the bottom right corner. Tap to that. After that, you will get to see the option of sign in or register. Tap to sign in or register, and after that this page will appear on your screen. From here you can either choose continue with Google, continue with Facebook, and continue with email. Now you just simply need to pick up the option which you have used in order to create your account. For example, I have created my account with Google, so in order to log into that account, I will be selecting continue with Google. If you have used Facebook or email in order to create your account, you can use either of those options. After selecting your email address which you have used in order to create an account, the account will automatically be logged in. So this is how you can very easily log in to your account in booking.com. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.